A girl called Golden. When only 18, Betty Cuthbert won gold medals for the 100 meter, 200 meter, and 100 meter relay in the 1956 Melbourne Olympics and the grueling 400 meter race 8 years later in Tokyo. Having broken 16 world records, she was given the nickname Golden Girl and was decorated by the Queen of England. Later, she was afflicted by multiple sclerosis and nowadays lives a more secluded life in Western Australia. Why did you run when your schoolmates were walking? Why did you sprint if they started to run? Why did you train while others were playing? What was the secret that made it seem fun? Was it the feel of the fresh air and sunshine? Was it the stir of the breeze in your hair? What made the coach recognize you were special? Was it because you had courage to spare? Showing your will when the muscles were aching, long spells of effort, and much to be learned, hearing the words that some others rejected, knowing that winning could only be earned. Time slipped away, then came the Olympics, still in your teens, but spurred on by the cheers, glory at last as you gained your gold medals, a time to remember the rest of your years. David Berson. Now here are some exercises given. Pause the video and try it yourself, and then we'll do it together. Now let's answer these questions. Let's read and enjoy. Which of the following descriptions best suits the poem? Praising Betty Cuthbert, criticizing Betty Cuthbert, questioning Betty Cuthbert. The right answer is praising Betty Cuthbert. Look at the first stanza and complete this table. In column 1, we are given Betty Cuthbert. In column 2, we are given her schoolmates. She ran. Her schoolmates, they walked. She sprinted. They ran. She trained. They played. Which line in the first stanza suggests that Betty actually enjoyed what she was doing? That made it seem fun. This line suggests that she enjoyed running. Which question are the two questions at the beginning of the second stanza answering? Was it the feel of the fresh air and sunshine? Was it the stir of the breeze in your hair? Are trying to answer the last question of the first stanza. What was the secret that made it seem fun? What do you think made the coach recognize that Betty was special? Tick the right choices. She was a brave and fast runner. She was determined and hardworking. She gave him advice about running. She was prepared to accept his advice. She was a brave and fast runner. This is one right choice. It is supported by courage to spare, mentioned in the poem. She was determined and hardworking. It is supported by this line, showing your will or when the muscles were aching. In the poem, she gave him advice about running, which she did not, so it is not a right choice. She was prepared to accept his advice. It is supported by the lines, heeding the words that some others rejected. Which line in the third stanza suggests that it is not easy to become a winner? The lines from the third stanza that show the difficulty of becoming a winner are: when the muscles were aching, long spells of effort and much to be learned, knowing that winning could only be earned. Betty was very young when she won gold medals at the Olympics. Which part of the poem suggests this? Still in your teens. This line suggests that Betty was very young when she won gold medals at the Olympics. Do you think the title A Girl Called Golden is appropriate? Why? Yes, the title A Girl Called Golden is highly appropriate for two key reasons. It directly connects to her official nickname, the Golden Girl, which she received after winning 3 gold medals at the 1956 Melbourne Olympics. The word golden symbolizes her extraordinary talent, bright spirit, and the lasting glory of her athletic career. For English videos like this, subscribe to our channel.